Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Yes.
GoPro ไว้ใช้ GoPro
from the beat.
Morning. We're on our way to have breakfast at what's the name again?
Iga.
Iga.
Iga. In English, it's the crow.
Crow. Iga. So we just rode the BTS SkyTrain and we're going to transfer to the subway at Sukhumvit Station. There are a lot of people. I saw students earlier, so there's classes even if it's
I
Saturday.
don't know that they have any national test or not.
Ah, it might be a national test.
Maybe. Because normally it's not quite much student on Saturday.
I saw Bright's poster for Lazada. He's really famous here. Also, Win.
Win, right? Win.
And it's because of Together. Or were they famous already way before?
That's the difference.
For a family. I'm more of a fan of Eta One.
Data one.
I like him more. Yeah, he is.
So handsome.
Clumsy. So the lines were really long, so they give out like receipts, so we could pay at the destination station, and I think that's really good because those controlling the line saw that it was a bit crowded already, so it's their way of controlling crowding here in the train station. Oh, train's here. Welcome to Walumpong Station.
Wat Mangong.
Wat Mangong Station. The station before this was Walumpong.
Yes.
Okay.
Wat Mangong. In English is Dragon Temple.
Ah, Dragon Temple. That's why there are dragon decorations and red columns because it's near Chinatown also.
I see you at the movies. I see you with your lipstick on. I'm looking out for cosmos. I'm hoping that we'll get along. It's time for innovation. It's time for us to make a change. It's time for a Chinese New Year. It's time for me to make a way.
Is this also your first time to go here, Pipe? No. You always go here. So this is our first time.
ไม่ค่อยชอบมาเยาวราช
Yawara.
Do you know what I'm saying? ไม่ค่อยชอบมา I didn't like to go to เยาวราช I don't like the authentic Chinese food.
Why? But you're Chinese.
It's so sometimes the taste is too basic and it's quite salty.
Salty?
Yes.
But what the taste is not good
Like the restaurant outside.
It's really because of the MSG.
Yes.
It makes the taste more meatier, more tastier, more flavorful.
It's salty and sometimes oily. I
Yeah.
don't like.
Much like the Filipino food.
Some restaurant in Filipino is much better.
Ah. Have you tried the adobo? You tried the adobo?
Cannot remember anything.
Sinigang.
Cannot remember. What is sinigang?
Sinigang's like tom yum.
Oh,
The sour
yeah, that's
sour soup.
And I tried what's the name? The
Fish balls.
Dobo fight or Bodo fight.
Bodo fight.
Bodo fight. Yeah.
Our tour guide, Pipe. How do you know the alley so well? You're from here.
Bangkoker.
I see you at the movies. I see you with your lipstick on. I'm looking out for cosmos. I'm hoping that we'll get along. It's time for us to wait. It's time for us to make a change.
It is a bit bitter, a bit spicy too. It's because of the sauce, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, I like it.
It's normally Thai people.
They don't like it.
Like because the smell.
In the breath after, kind of like garlic. Similar.
Or it's much more.
Oh, wow.
And you will see this. If you eat enough portions, you can smell it.
Do you eat? Didn't you tell me this one isn't spicy?
Quite spicy, not too spicy.
Too spicy.
Yeah, I can take it. You stayed in Japan, right? So they also eat curry. Is
Yeah.
it different with Thai curry?
Different,
Very.
definitely different.
I'm going to try the curry next.
How to say in Thai?
The method.
Gang
Kyo Wa. Wa is pork.
One is
One is
One
sweet.
is sweet. Oh, okay.
Gang is curry.
Curry.
Green is xiao.
Gang
Xiao.
Kyo Wa. Gang Kyo Wa.
When I wake up, I can't even stay up. I slept through the day. Fuck, I'm not getting younger. But when I'm older, I'll be so much stronger. I'll stay up for longer. Meet me at a spot. Caught a vibe, baby, are you coming for the ride? I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night. When we catch a vibe, maybe we can hit the 405. Hypnotized by the lights, man, this must be the life.
When I go to sleep, I can't even fall asleep. Something's got a hold of me, feel it taking over me. But when I'm older, I'll be moving on.
Really bad for a single serving.
เอาก้อนหลังเลย
LA on my mind, I can't breathe. You're there when I close my eyes, so hard to reach. Your smiles turn into crying, it's the same release. And you always know, and you always know that I'm your summer girl. I'm your summer girl. I'm your summer girl. I'm your summer girl.
Hello. First time riding a tuk-tuk with pipe and Erk.
แล้วก็เป็นเอาห่อไข่แค่ห่อไข่3ปกติแบบเผ็ดไหม
Meet the orange lovers, the orange juice lovers. Me, and the orange hater, orange juice hater. Not worth.
Not worth with the price.
Should be only 50. 100. Som. Hi. Hello, universe. Hello.
No.
Why are you so
Good morning.
ไม่เลิฟออนท็อป
They're on top, they're on top.
Expert driver. See you.
You just shake and wish what you want or what you want to know in the future. Okay. Show the number. Show the number.
14.
Number.
โอเคเลย
Hello, universe.